if we're gonna be able to make it up this. We're sure gonna try though. I can't even describe to you how nice it is up here. Sheesh. Check that out, boys. We got it, we got it. Yeah. Maybe not, maybe we don't got it. That's okay. That was good, that was better than I expected. Welcome everyone to another episode with me and the old Tenere 700. As you can see, I started off this video by stalling her out. That's kind of the theme of this trip. It was definitely a lot tougher of a trail than I thought it was going to be. And you'll just have to watch to see how much I screw up. So I've definitely dropped the bike a couple of times, but it was a great Sunday. So kick back and enjoy. Alright guys, well, I don't think I was recording with my wireless mic on that first little section, so sorry for the narration on that first little tidbit, but we're hooked up now. So, oh gosh, this is getting rough up here. I'm so thankful that it's only like little spots like that and it's not the whole ride, because that would not be fun. Oh, sheesh. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it up this. We're sure gonna try though. I feel like the trick of this all is to really just keep momentum. Keep your momentum going. Take breaks when you need to. And, you know, don't lose your wit. I'm gonna be so upset if I get a flat up here, I swear. But I feel like I'm doing an alright job of avoiding as much big rocks as I possibly can. This is not an easy route though, I'll tell you guys. But it is totally worth it. Oh man, what a ride. What a ride. Speed, speed, speed. That's the trick today. Not coming on the way down though. On the way down we're going to be going turtle pace, because I do not feel like going off the side of this cliff here. Alright, let me keep my eyes on this road here. Not get distracted by the scenery. There we go. Hug this right side. Not gonna lie guys, this is the toughest thing I've done yet on this bike, and it is definitely showing. But I can feel myself getting better already. So, and I know somewhere down the line this is really gonna help me become a better rider. Ooh, do I want to go left or right? I'm gonna have to push through and see where it's gonna take me. This is wild. I'm gonna check the GPS though. Alright guys, well, I've decided we're gonna take this right fork here, and it looks like it kind of goes around the mountains and it's relatively flat. But yeah, let's just crush it guys. This is what adventure is all about, you know? Just getting lost, falling down a little bit, getting a little dirty, and yeah, just sending it guys. Let's do it. yeah, this is so nice. You could see right where the person before me went. They're by themselves, whoever they are. I'm happy I could take you guys along with me on this journey. And I hope some of you guys are getting to see stuff you never saw before. I mean, I am too, but for those that can't do it, you know. Okay. Just came to a split in the road. We're definitely not going that way. Alright, we're gonna keep going this way. The hell with that. This is so nice. I was definitely a little worried that it was gonna be just kind of like a show the whole time. But this is turning out to be a really nice ride, guys. Bunch of birch trees. The only thing that worries me is that I haven't seen anybody up here, so knock on wood, you know, hopefully nothing happens. But doesn't seem like a very well-traveled area, and if something happens or I catch a flat or something that I can't overcome myself, I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. I'll have to walk out of here, honestly. Wow. Wow. Look at that lake. I think that's Park City, I'm pretty sure. I can't even describe to you how nice it is up here. One thing I've definitely learned today is that speed is your friend when trying to make it through uphill areas. So definitely going to keep that in my back pocket. Not go too fast, obviously, but you know, definitely learning as we go, guys. Learning as we go. We are up here, guys. This is the overlook I was talking about. Check this out. You know what? I bet you this is like the weather station, or like how they get like the weather report. That's just my thought. But yeah, let's get out of here. Ooh. Okay, guys, this is... I am really not sure how much further I want to go, honestly. I'm gonna push up this hill and then we'll kind of see where we're at, because this is starting to get a little tight for me. Oh, okay. Just kind of loops you back around. All right, so we'll just kind of go back the way that we came. See what this is. I'm pretty sure this is like a weather tower or something of the sort. Yeah, it's got to be. I bet you they get tons of snow up here. Yeah, definitely some type of weather situation going on here. Interesting. All right, guys. Well, looks like we're gonna go back the way we came. Maybe we'll explore some other little cutoffs and whatnot in between then. But yeah. So long, weather tower, or whatever you are. Let's see what the rest of this trail looks like. hopefully we don't slide off the side of the mountain here, you know? Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Alright, we're gonna hit this little bit of speed coming up. There we go. Okay. Maybe we'll go explore that other little runoff for a minute. And then we'll get up out of here. Ooh wee, little jump. Alright, maybe we'll explore this other side of the fork a little bit. See what that looks like. I can go this way. Ooh, I am not going up that hill. I'll tell you right now. Oh, okay. It's just a little turn off. Sheesh. Check that out, boys. And maybe girl, I don't know. I don't know if any girls would watch this kind of content, honestly. Alright, let's keep it moving. Hey. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna just go forward. Alright. Alright, on the up and up again. Oh, this looks really rocky. I don't know if I want to do this. Oh, and this looks really rocky to me. I don't know if I want to go up here. Oh. Yeah, let's turn this bad boy around. Alright, well, after like a 50-point turn, getting out of there. Let's go ahead to Park City. That's kind of crazy. Let's see how smoothly I can get down all this incline that we rode on today. Alright, here's my first little downhill. Oh, okay. Too much front brake. Too much front brake, guys. Okay. I think we're all good. Yeah, everything's good. Rear brake lever's good. Water pump. Okay. Woo. Alright, here we go. Alright. More rear brake, less front brake. Oh. Camera's crooked. There we go. Don't want you guys looking at me all cockeyed. Okay. Yeah, these rocky sections that we hit on the way up are definitely not going to be easy. I'm a little worried, to be honest, but I know we'll make it through. What a day, guys. What a day. All right, focus on what you're doing. I'm so bad. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, boys. We got it. We got it. Okay. We got it. We got it. Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe we don't got it. That's okay. That was good. That was better than I expected. All right. I'll tell you what. Today was not the day to do deadlifts, guys.
Definitely not the day to do deadlifts. Needed my deadlifting strength, but you know, I wouldn't say I've really like fallen. I'm just kind of like washing out. Oh, you know, let me keep my mouth shut here. Nice little berm. Do a drift. Haha. Psych. Alright, let me not slide like that. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. I think this next part is probably the toughest part that we got to get down. So, I'm not. That was not as graceful as I wanted it to be, but you know, it's just so hard when you're sliding. It's like impossible to pick a line. F you, tree. I'm gonna come back and cut that stupid tree down. Alright, guys. Well, we are out of it. We were way up there on the mountain. Way up there. That was quite the adventure, guys. Quite the adventure. But now we're headed to Park City to go get a snack. So I'll catch you guys over there. Well, we made it to Park City. It's raining, so I'm gonna eat this real quick and we're gonna go home. That's gonna wrap this one up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.